Hey everyone! In today's video, I'm going to help you how to fix bank account link problem in PayPal. Alright, let's get started. First, open your browser and go to paypal.com. Once you're there, look at the top right corner and click on Login. Now enter your email and password. Make sure it's the same email linked to your PayPal account. Double check for typos just to be safe. Then hit the login button. Once you're inside your account, go to the Pay and Get Paid section. Under that, click on Banks and Cards. This is where you manage all your payment methods. If you're getting an error or it won't let you link your bank, there are usually a few reasons why. Your bank might be having a temporary issue. You might enter the wrong details or there might be something off with your PayPal settings. Here's what you do. Click on Help in the menu, then go to My Wallet. And tap on Bank Accounts. Look for the topic that says, Why can't I link a bank account to my PayPal account? PayPal provides a list of common problems and their fixes there. After following those steps and double checking your information, try linking your bank account again. Most of the time, this solves the issues. If nothing works, don't worry, just reach out to PayPal support. They can look into your account and give you personalized help. And that's it. Hopefully, this helped you fix the linking issue quickly and easily. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.